Welcome back. And some weeks ago, I dropped an update where you can make up to 140k every week and up to 500k every month. So here is the update. And in this video, I'm going to show you the latest Binance unlimited arbitrage and how you can use it to make more than 140k every week and over 500k every month. And this is what I've been doing for a couple of weeks now. So I can tell you that it is really profitable, and if you are serious with it, you can make even more than 500k every month. So when I dropped that update a few weeks ago, YouTube removed the video 30 minutes after the time of uploading it, and only few people were able to watch that video before YouTube removed it because they say that it violated their personal information terms and condition. So you can see that the video was removed by YouTube. This video has been removed because inappropriate content, you understand. I even tried to make an appeal, but they say that the appeal was rejected because they noticed that I display some personal information that I'm not supposed to display. So I tried uploading this video over and over again, try to re-edit it, blur every part that I know that I want to blur. They will still remove it. So I tried this for like more than 2 weeks now, but it was still removed. So that is when everything changed. Few people watched the video. That few minutes this video was active before it was removed by YouTube. I even showed a friend of mine the update and he was blown away because he wasn't expecting what he got. So here is his response.
Oh, guy, why I don't know this thing since when I get money? Blood of Jesus. Guy, the others will just call me in minutes every minute. Guy. And they are since they dull.
And people really want that update so bad. So for that solution to work, I created a premium Telegram group with my own logo, you understand. So you can see the details, everything is connected back to me, you understand. And I'm not doing it alone because I'm working with a friend of mine and we have already dropped 2 updates now that is really paying, you understand, because I've tested them out and they are really profitable. So by joining this premium Telegram group with the link below, you'll be getting profitable updates like 100x crypto gem that can make you 1000%, 2000%, you understand, and also arbitrary secrets that me and my guys normally do that gives us between 300 to 500k every month. So that is basically what you'll be getting in this premium group and even lots more. And take note that everything that is being shared on this premium Telegram group will not be shared elsewhere, meaning that it will not be uploaded on YouTube or my public Telegram group that you already know about. You joining here will be the one that will have access to it alone, and you can't even share it with your friends. So make sure that you try your best to be part of it. And currently you can see that we have already dropped 1 update, this derived money making update, which is really profitable, where you can make up to like 9 to 10% of your capital. No matter the amount you use to start, it's still profitable, you understand. And there are many profitable updates we plan to drop within the month, so you guys can try them out and try to make something for yourself. So in this short part of this video, I'm going to show you how you can join this premium Telegram group so that you get access to all the updates that have been posted there and the update that will be posted there. And please remember that you are not sending anybody money for you to be part of this premium group. You'll be only making payments and you are not sending the money directly to me. So anybody that message you or mistakenly you message someone that claimed to be me that says that that gave you account number for you to send money to, please don't send money to a person. And if you experience anybody like that, you can just write on my Telegram community, which you can also get the link below. And you can also see me. This is my username at CoinCodeYT. So if you want to write me directly, this is my username, you understand. So you can just write me on Telegram. And make sure that you don't send money to anybody because I will not ask for your money, you understand. So I'm just going to show you how you can just make payments to join this premium group directly without sending anybody money. So for you to get the link to this premium group, you need to make payment through the payment bot, and for you to get that payment bot, you need to click the first link below this video or join my Telegram community and get the link directly. So you can see that when you click it, it will take you to this section. So this is actually the bot, and you can see this big button that says start. But before you make payment, make sure that you confirm it is the real bot. You can see that the username is coin code paybot. So make sure that that is a username, and you can see that my personal telegram ID is attached to it for support and inquiry. So if you're having hard time with the bot, you can just message me directly, then I will help you out, you understand. But before you make payments, make sure that you confirm the bot, because this has to do with money. So make sure that everything you're doing is legit. So you can also see the payment bot QR code, so you can just scan, then it will take you to Telegram directly. So that is all you need to know about this payment bot, and this is a bot you'll be using to make payments for you to get access to the premium Telegram group. So I'm going to show you exactly how. First off, you need to click start on the bot, then you can see the options. So then when you click start, your username will just show like Daniel premium, because the premium group is named premium. So you can see that please select your subscription plan. So on the drop down menu, you have to select the plan that you want. So you can see that the 1 week plan is 1,800 naira for 1 week. You can see the monthly plan 10,000 naira for 1 month. Then you can see the 3 months plan 15,000 naira, or a lifetime plan of 45,000 naira. Although these plans have been updated, so I think you can check them out yourself. And this is the plan that you will have access to it. So once your plan expire, the payment bot will automatically kick you off until you renew again for it to be part of it. And remember that all these plans have been updated, and that 1 week plan is not available anymore, but it's the same concept. So I'm going to use that 1 week plan to show you how to make payments and how to be part of this payment bot, you understand. So let me just click on that 1 week plan, then you can see that your benefits. But remember, before all these parts, you to request your email, so that for you to keep track of your account, you understand. So you can see that currently we only integrate Paystack, so you can only pay with Paystack, you understand. So with Paystack, you can pay with bank transfer, QR code, or any means, you understand, that is available in your region. And I think this is available in Nigeria, Ghana, and South Africa, and some African countries. So let me just click on Paystack and wait for it to load up. So you can see that it says that please click the button below to subscribe. So you just have to click on the button to subscribe. So when you click on it, you can see the URL, so checkout page. So all you just need to do is to click on this icon that says open, then it will take you to the browser section, which is for you to make payment. So you can just wait for it, the normal way that Paystack uses to make payments, you understand. So we're making payments using Paystack, and you will not be sending anybody money. So anybody that come to your DM that says that send me money, send money to this account, even though the account number is my name, don't go, except maybe some factors, and it should be from my Telegram group, you understand. And don't send any money to anybody, you understand. So this is basically the payment plan. So for the reference purpose, I'm going to use 1,800, which is for that 1 week plan, to make payment. So you can see that you can pay with card, bank transfer, USSD, pay with Visa QR code, and everything. So you can just select the one that best suits you. So let me just click bank transfer, then wait for it to load up. So you can see that transfer 1,800 to Paystack checkout, you understand. So this is the account details, this is the amount. So I'm just going to copy these details and send 1,800 to this account. Remember, it is 1,800, so I'm just going to enter 1,800 as an amount, then click next and confirm the transaction easily like that. So after I successfully made the payment, you just have to go back to the Paystack checkout page. So let me just go back, and you can see that the payments have been received. So you just have to wait for it. So you can see that the payment is successful, and that's basically how the payment is. So within few minutes you have access to the group, you understand, once you make payment. And let me just come back to the Telegram. So you can see that the payments have been confirmed. So payment confirmation, thank you very much for your payment. So you will not get access to the group. So that is basically the group link. So click join group premium, you understand. So the moment you click on it, automatically you join the group premium, you join the premium group, you understand. Although within the next few days or few months, we are going to integrate some payment method, which means that you can pay with crypto and all the rest. So you can see the group. And currently this group is so secure that you can't even take screen record. That is why the screen is blank. But you understand the concept. So when I try to type something, you can see that I'll be able to type in the group, see the update, do everything, but I can't share the update that is being posted in the group. And I can't even take screen record. I can't take screenshots. That is how secure it is, meaning that you that join the group, you are the only one that will get access to everything, you understand? So that is basically everything you need to know about joining this premium Telegram group to get premium updates. So if you have any issue, you just have to join my Telegram community to ask your question, or message me directly on Telegram to ask your question directly to me, or you can just write me on Twitter, which you can also get the link below. And on Twitter, you just have to send me your questions and I will answer you gladly. So if you know this video was helpful, make sure you show it by dropping a like to this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also make sure you do the needful. And as you might already know, I'm DMO. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video.